Many people enjoy hobbies. Some collect toys, coins, and more.
But many are fascinated with antiques, and Emily Deem is learning more this morning in Appleton. Hi, Emily.
Hey, good morning, Rachel and Pete. Hi, everybody. We're at the Harp Gallery in Appleton. I'm listening to a phonograph this morning.
Have you ever seen one of those, Emily?
This is the first time I have seen one. And when he turned it on, I go, it works. And he goes, well, yeah, they were made to last. And let me tell you, it is unbelievable. All the antiques out here are really amazing. I know they really feature furniture, but they also have other really unique stuff. So a phonograph here, a grand piano over here, and then Ken Melchert is out here. Owner, that is one great thing. Tell us about antiques and how they were meant to last.
Well, we love musical things here. My wife is a harpist. That's why we're called the Harp Gallery. And in olden days, things were always made to last. They expected to endure a lifetime. They were not disposable. This piano was built in 1884 in Boston. Has real ivory keys and a rosewood case. And we have a lot of course we love music and art, and we have a lot of sculptures, paintings, and other artwork. This is a newel post lamp. It would have been on the post of a stairs going up, and it was kerosene originally, so it lit the steps so you wouldn't trip.
Cool. So if people aren't familiar with antiques, like myself, I'm learning a lot this morning because I'm not familiar with it. Is it for any age? I mean, what type of person would be interested?
Our customers really are all over the place. They just happen to like things that endure, things that have real quality and last, and they like the charm and the age that old pieces show. They have more character, and they're kind of interesting, and they tell a story of another age and another style of life. These sculptures depict like a country girl in France. She's feeding chickens with feed in her apron. There are things are charming and picturesque. They recall a quieter day when we weren't in such a hurry.
And I think our phonograph
we're at the end of the record. We're at the end of the record.
End of the record, but that is just amazing how you can keep that up here. And
of course, we have a harp in the background. We have a few harps around here that are mascots. This one was built in New York in like 1840. And it's a beautiful little thing. It has angels and gold painting on it.
And when you see people come out here, I mean, is it really a hobby that people come out and they want to search for stuff and look for things?
Well, for some people it's a hobby, but for most people today, they are buying things for their home, just to enhance their lifestyle. It's all about quality of life. That beautiful old things are useful again, whether it's a dining room or a living room or a family room. They're things that people live with more than collect.
And it's things that you've never seen before, and I've seen my first phonograph, and I had it played for me. It was beautiful. And yeah, Harp Gallery out here in Appleton, some really cool stuff. We're going to be taking a look at silverware and stuff like that coming up. It's going to be so cool. The china, it's just beautiful. We'll send it back to you.
Thanks, Emily.
Thanks, Emily.